Hello to you, my gorgeous nail lovers. You're welcome back to Nail Vibes. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, depending from where and when you are seeing this video. So, in case you are seeing this channel for the very first time or you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe. And as you do that, do not forget to turn on your bell notification so that whenever a new video is uploaded in this channel, be the first to be notified. So, my gorgeous ladies, watching this video for today, you'll see that I have the best collections of trendy acrylic nail art designs. These nails are so trendy and they look so good and perfect for every occasion. Whether a big occasion or a small occasion, even for your casual days, you can rock any of these nails and you're on the go. So watch to the end and pick your best light. And as you do, kindly do support this channel by hitting the like button, okay? Like this video and feel free to share it to your friends and your loved ones, and you can also save it for your later use. Thank you guys so much. I also appreciate my returning viewers who are always watching and engaging in my videos. Trust me guys, your effort in this channel is never taken for granted. Thank you so much. So at the end of the video, you can go down to the comment section and tell me what you think or what you feel about my videos or my channel in general. And if there's any other kind of video you'd like to see me make in this channel, please put it down in the comment section and I promise to make it for you. And in case this is not the kind of nail art designs you like to see, please go down to my channel to see other videos that I have on other nail types. Thank you so much as you do that, as I'll be looking forward to seeing you again in my next video. Bye for now.